Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo Ideapad 5. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now locate the LCD cover. It is typically secured with several screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. If it feels stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need without any hassle. After removing the old LCD cover, take your new cover and align it with the screen. Ensure that all clips and screw holes are properly aligned. Once in position, press down gently to secure it in place. Then, replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them carefully to avoid stripping the threads. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to check the connections to the display and ensure everything is secure. If you're unsure about any connections, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind before committing to any service. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the laptop body and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Check to ensure that the display is functioning correctly and that the new LCD cover is securely attached. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get your laptop checked without leaving your home. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Lenovo Ideapad 5. This simple repair can significantly enhance the appearance and functionality of your device, saving you the cost of a new laptop. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.